Welcome back to the channel and welcome to the channel. So in today's video we're jumping straight back onto the Range Rover Evoque. If you haven't seen the first video, have a look on the channel, it is on there. So in today's video we're going to be stripping down all the damaged parts, what you can see here, to see if there's any more hidden damage behind. So we've received some of the parts for the car now. This is the old wheel. We've installed a new wheel off camera. You probably could have got this refurbed. It's got a little bit of damage in this edge here, bit of scuffing here, but the tyre, I think it's got a rip somewhere. It's no good basically. So the tyres are Pirelli and it's the 24th week of 2019. We managed, I don't know if this is just pure luck, we managed to get the same wheel with the exact same tyre. And the dot code on this one, if the camera will focus, 17th week of 2019. So that might just be pure luck. So as you see, we've got a wing, we've got the side trims that go on the bottom of the lower door, a couple of little bumper grills. Obviously we've got to get a replacement bumper anyway, but the little grills that go top and bottom of the fog light. Right, the door, we spoke to a seller around about 2 weeks ago, maybe 3 weeks. He was away, he was coming back, what, Wednesday or Thursday this week. So we spoke to him, we were going down there yesterday, so Saturday, to pick up the door. It's about a 2-hour drive from where we are. We got about halfway yesterday, so an hour into the drive, got a message, don't come, door's damaged. Yet he sent us pictures and said the door's, good condition. So time waster. So if any of you know of anyone selling, a driver's front door of a 5-door Range Rover Evoque in red, or you might have one yourself, if you could let me know in the comments. I want it in red so then I ain't got to get the inside paint. So now we'll start stripping it down. I think there'll be a little bit more time lapse today because it is quite windy. And obviously I ain't got an external microphone, not just yet. I'm slowly trying to get more bits, try and do some better quality videos. So I've just got an axle stand so I can get to the bolts underneath the bumper more easier. So to take this bumper off, you've got 4 plastic screws on top on the grille. Then the bumper bracket that fits onto the wing, well, what's left of it. You've got a couple of bolts in here. And underneath, some big flathead screws. I'm surprised it's not Torx, but... So I'll get this on time lapse and I'll get the front bumper off. So those 2 flathead screws I was showing you, that goes in here, that's so you can remove this piece. You've got the silver trim that just unclips off with a couple of plastic clips like this. Sorry if it's not focusing. Once you've removed that black piece, then you've got three bolts, which is the remaining bolts for the lower of the bumper. And there's one more lower plastic trim piece that should fit here. Well, I can't show it on this side because I ain't got it. But this side, it marries up to this plastic trim that goes around the wing. This is held in by 2 of those plastic clips I just showed you, and literally that will just slide off. And then this trim here, same again, it's held in by the trim clips, the one-time use ones, so that just popped off. Ready to remove the grille. So obviously, like I was stating, you've got 4 of those little plastic screws, and then this corner and the same this side, it will just pull, and in the middle, if you see this black plastic piece here, there is a clip. So what you need to do, you need to pull the grille towards you when you've already pulled these corners, and just press the clip down so you can remove it out. I'll show you once I've removed it anyway. was saying, so you remove those 4 top plastic screws off the top. Both bottom corners, they just pull out from, it clips into here. And that middle clip I was on about, which is this plastic piece just here, that pushes down and it just pulls. Then you've got, when the bumper is on the car, you've got 4 more of these little plastic screws that go into here. And then just the side bolts, which you'd have seen us remove on time lapse. So we're going to remove the driver's headlight because unfortunately it is broken on the corner and the tab just here. If you see that corner, you wouldn't see the damage when the bonnet's closed, but we don't repair cars like that. So we'll replace, obviously when the wing's on there, look, you can't see, but as you know, we don't repair cars like that, so we'll get a replacement headlight. And the bumper, so the wiring height, because obviously you've got the 360 cameras, so you've got one here and one there, and then the parking sensors and the fog lights. The wiring harness, so on a UK car right-hand drive, be on your passenger side, all the wires go into here, so you ain't got to take the whole harness off the bumper, and the wires on the car literally just unplug. So what's left to do today, obviously remove the headlight, literally a couple of minute job, remove what's left of the wing and the door. And as I said earlier in the video, we will be putting the door back on off camera until obviously we can get a replacement door. So let's get back on with the car and put it back on time lapse. So that's all the parts removed, and that's how the car's now looking. So I think any of you who watched the first video would have thought, Jesus, that looks quite bad. What is the hidden damage? Right, so as you know, it never got hit on the passenger side. We've took the bumper off because it needs replacing anyway. We want to triple check if there's any more damage, but you know, behind the bumper, obviously that side never got hit. It was this side. Sorry if the phone's shaking. Where the headlight goes, no damage. The lower headlight bracket, not broken at all. Where the wing bolts up on top, absolutely fine. Same as the A post, lower down. So there is no more hidden damage. So I don't need to worry about the wires getting exposed, you know, to weather conditions as we're putting the door back on. The rear door, little bit of damage, where the bottom of the front door got pushed. A bit of damage here, nothing to the edge. That's a nice easy repair. Yeah, let us know in the comments what you think to the car, how it's coming along. Yeah, so that's the car all finished. Get the pictures up, get it for sale on eBay. If you want to buy it, let us know. Now, I'm only joking. Right, I do want to apologise again about wind noise. As you know, we're doing it on the drive at the minute. Yes, we need to buy some better equipment, external mics, etc. and a unit at some point. So as you know, we need to order a couple more parts. For example, the headlight, a couple of the brackets. The main thing we need is that door. So hopefully we can get them ordered ASAP, and then hopefully they'll come in the week so we can get them start fitting back on the car during the weekend. But I need to say a massive thank you to everyone that has subscribed to the channel. It's now just gone over 1,500 subscribers, which that's very good. So if you did like the video, if you can smash that like button, it don't cost a thing. That does help the channel out. And if you're not subscribed, press that subscribe button and the bell icon so you get a notification when I put a new video up. So thank you everyone that's watched. See you in the next one.